My favorite pantry organization items from Amazon. I use large bins and deep drawers to organize snacks and drinks for my kids. Make sure to use museum gel to keep them from shifting around. A full drawer of bulk snacks for kids and adults. I love that these containers have a spot for a scoop inside the lid. I also put this optional expiration date dial on the items that needed it. These expandable risers are perfect for canned food so I can see what I have, and these simple stacking grain bins that open super easily. I keep frequently used items in Lazy Susans, and items like syrup and olive oil in these glass canisters so I can buy it in bulk. I use my favorite zipper bags to keep all the small baking supply items together, and these small canisters are perfect for bulk spices or small baking supplies. Small acrylic bins for adult snacks out of kids' reach, and these grain bags that work great for pouring cereal slowly. All of my tea in this tea box. You guys know I love these water bottle organizers. They are a mom must-have. We added a trash drawer for our dog food, swapped out to lidded bins to contain the smell. A deep drawer for potatoes and onions, as well as one for bread, and my favorite bamboo containers for all of my coffee supplies. Again, don't forget the museum gel to keep these in place. My favorite glass jars for coffee syrup, and this wooden rack for wine I haven't even loaded yet. I use more of my favorite glass canisters with bamboo lids for all of my baking supplies. They seal well and they're not too bulky. And last, I always find a place to hang our broom. In this case, it has its own cabinet. All of these items are linked on my Amazon.